Hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. And today I bring you Chase HQ on the Commodore 64. Yeah, I reviewed the Amstrad version recently, check that one out in the description below. It was quite a nice game actually, it looked very good. So now let's see how the Commodore 64 version plays. If we can get this game started or something. Unlimited credit, no. Unlimited turbo, no. Unlimited time, no. One shot to kill the boss, no. No cheats, let's try it out here. I hope we can start the game quick here. So here we are, press fire, stage 1. This is Nancy at the Chase headquarters. We've got an emergency here. Alright. Ralph. The Idaho slasher is fleeing towards the... what the hell is that? The target vehicle is white. British sports car, alright. So here, oh my god, here we go. Let's go, Mr. Driver. Oh my god, that looks awful. And I change gears with my A button here. I play with my controller, that's the way I prefer it. So upwards on my analog stick is to accelerate. Yeah, this looks awful. My car looks decent, but look at the other cars. Look at it. What a mess. It's terrifying. My god. This is just downright ugly. Motor sound. I mean, it's decent. Frame rates, pretty bad. Backgrounds, more or less. But look at the colors of it, it's awful. And that annoying sound effect, it's shit. It's pretty narrow, pretty narrow here. More down we have my score. My time limit to reach my target is 30 seconds. Speed is there. Distance to my target is there, and what gear I'm in. So now I have 30 seconds to reach my target. And I doubt I will make it. I have not figured out the turbo button when I'm playing on the controller. Perhaps if I push the space bar, I should try it. My god, that is awful. Shit. Yeah, okay, space bar is turbo. It's pretty bad actually that I have to push space bar when I use a controller. No, this looks like shit actually. What a letdown. If you keep messing around, you're... okay, I don't have time to read. There, what they're saying. I will probably have a continuous, so I can start from where I left, from where I am. Now I have the target, but okay, I have a target there. I got there. Perhaps I reach a checkpoint or anything there, because now I got another minute. So I shall try to drive into that car a lot of times. It's not that easy actually. But the car handling in this version is not that bad actually. I thought it was pretty more difficult to control a car in the Amstrad version. And the road seems to be a little bit broader here in this version. So that is a few plus points, but that is my personal judgment, my personal opinion. So I don't know how many times I need to drive into the Idaho Slasher's car here. 30 seconds to go, more or less. Here. Oh, thank you for the reminder. This will probably be a short video because this is just not very nice to look at, this version. Fuck. Come on, how many times do I have to hit the car? Who designed these cars? It's awful. Downright ugly. Come on, how many times do I have to hit the car? It is... Nine seconds to go. Here we go with the turbo again. Shit, I lost control of the car. Time up, I was close there. Push it. No, actually I'm not interested in continue playing this game actually. I mean, I will probably witness myself drag out the person out of the car or something, I don't know. It's not worth it. No, it's not the worst game in the world, but it's just not good. It looks awful. The car handling is alright, I think. So I will give it, will be a little bit generous, I will give it a 4 out of 10 for this version. So that's it for today. Like always, take good care of yourself, everyone, and have a good one. Goodbye.